You are about to discover the real reason professionals make AI grade its own work. You've been there. You spend 20 minutes tweaking a prompt to get the perfect email or project plan. The AI spits out a masterpiece. It looks polished, professional, and completely ready to go. So you use it. And then, 10 minutes later, your stomach drops. You realize it completely left out the single most important detail you specifically asked for. I used to think this was just my fault. I thought I was just bad at prompting, or that this was just AI being AI. It is incredibly frustrating to feel like you have to babysit a supercomputer. But here's what nobody tells you about that moment. You don't need a better prompt. You just need one more sentence. Let me show you what I mean, because this blew my mind when I finally understood it. Think about how you usually use ChatGPT or Claude. You ask it for a 10-day travel itinerary for Italy. It gives you Rome on day 1, Florence on day 3, and Venice on day 6. It looks amazing. But if you look closely, it booked you a dinner reservation in Rome on day 5, when you are literally sitting in Florence. Or think about the wedding speech. A friend of mine had AI write a maid of honor speech. It was touching, funny, and beautifully written. But on her third practice read, she noticed something bizarre. The AI told the exact same childhood story in paragraph 2, and then told it again in paragraph 4 with slightly different words. The AI completely forgot what it had just written, and it handed the speech over with a straight face. When you see this happen, your first instinct is to try and write a longer, more complicated prompt. You add all caps. You add exclamation points. You try to force the AI to pay attention. But that doesn't actually fix the root problem. Here is the specific test that changed everything for me. I asked an AI to write a standard project proposal. At the bottom, it generated a beautiful budget table. Personnel was $40,000. Software was $15,000. Contingency was $10,000. And the total it printed at the bottom? $58,000. I stared at the screen for a solid minute. 40 plus 15 plus 10 is 65. The AI did the math, got it completely wrong, and handed it to me as if it were a finished product. But here's the crazy part. I copied that exact proposal, pasted it right back into the exact same chat, and typed one sentence. Look at the math in the budget you just wrote. Is it correct? In 3 seconds, the AI replied and pointed out its own error. It caught the mistake instantly. Same model, same conversation, totally different outcome. And this single moment reveals the biggest secret of how these systems actually operate. So why does it make the mistake, but then instantly catch it when you ask? It comes down to a fundamental misunderstanding of what AI is actually doing when it types. We expect AI to work like a human professional. When a human writer drafts a report, they write it, and then they read it back to themselves to check for errors. Producing and reviewing are two totally different jobs, but humans naturally do both. AI does not. When you ask an AI to generate a plan, it enters what I call producing mode. It just pushes words forward, guessing the next best word over and over again. From its perspective, the second the last word is typed, the job is completely done. There is no built-in step where it looks back and asks, "Wait, did I actually answer their prompt?" It just hands you the output and walks away. This is not a bug or a glitch. It is quite literally a design choice in how these systems are built. If you never explicitly ask it to review its own work, it will never review it. And this is exactly why regular people get frustrated while professionals get flawless results. The professionals don't just use producing mode, they force the AI into reviewing mode. They know that the first draft is never where the quality lives. The magic happens in the second pass. And you can trigger this second pass for free in any chatbot just by changing the job you give it. You aren't making the AI magically smarter. You are just changing its role from writer to editor. The plausibility trap. But here is where it gets interesting, and honestly, a little bit dangerous. If the fix is this simple, why do so many of us fall for broken AI outputs every single day? Researchers call this the plausibility trap. When an AI generates a response, it formats it beautifully. It uses bold headers, bullet points, and confident, authoritative language. To our human brains, that level of polish signals that the work is finished and verified. We are psychologically wired to trust things that look professional. So when an output looks 80% correct, we completely drop our guard. We skim it, assume the rest is fine, and we ship it. That is exactly how a meal plan with a peanut allergy slips through. You tell the AI, make me a 7-day meal plan, and I am highly allergic to peanuts. It gives you a gorgeous formatted table, and hiding on day 4 is a recipe for Thai peanut noodles. If you just trusted the formatting, you would add it to your grocery list. But if you use what I call the output check, everything changes. Here's exactly how you build this habit into your life starting today. Whenever the AI hands you an output that is longer than a single paragraph, do not use it right away. Instead, copy the output, paste it back into the chat box, and use this exact script. I asked you to do X. Look at what you just wrote. List every single way this does not fully do X. That is it. That is the one sentence that stops the madness. You are forcing the AI to read the text end to end, looking specifically for failures. If you are working on a massive document with multiple sections, you can take it a step further with the contradiction hunt. You just type, read this end to end and point out anything in one section that contradicts another section. It will find the mismatched dates. It will catch the duplicated stories. It will fix the broken math. You don't have to manually audit a massive block of text ever again. You are making the machine do the heavy lifting for you. Think about how much mental energy you save when you stop playing detective with your own chatbot. You let the AI expose its own blind spots. This completely shifts the power dynamic between you and the AI. You are no longer a passive consumer just hoping the machine gets it right on the first try. You are operating like a manager holding an employee accountable. You are establishing a standard of quality that the AI is forced to meet. And the best part is that this doesn't cost you an extra dime or require any complicated new tools. It is just a shift in your own behavior. So here is your challenge for tomorrow morning. The next time you use AI for anything important, do not accept the first draft. Paste it right back in, ask the question, and watch it catch the mistakes it just made. Once you see it happen with your own eyes, you will never look at AI the same way again. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next insight, and share your thoughts below on what the AI catches for you.